Dear students, in last video we have solved some problems related to equation of tangent and equation of normal. That is, this equation of tangent and equation of normal is the first application of derivative. Okay, so now let us solve some another examples also. So the example is that find the point on the curve y equal to x minus 3 square root of x minus 3 where the tangent is perpendicular to the line 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we have to find out the point pxy. Suppose let pxy is any point on the curve, on the given curve, that is 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, and suppose this is a curve. Okay, and this is the tangent of the curve. This is the tangent of the curve, and here this tangent is perpendicular to the line 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. The tangent is perpendicular to suppose this line. Okay, now suppose first find out the slope, that is dy by dx. We know that dy by dx is the slope of tangent. Okay, and therefore as tangent is perpendicular to 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore slope of tangent into slope of this line, slope of 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. The product of both the slope equal to minus 1, because tangent is perpendicular to this line, and we know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, their product of slope equal to minus 1, and therefore slope of tangent equal to slope of tangent into slope of this line is minus a upon b. A is coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y, and that's why minus a upon b, that is minus 6 upon 3, and this is equal to minus 2, and the product is minus 1, and therefore we know that the slope of tangent is dy by dx at the point p. Slope of tangent is dy by dx at the point p into minus 2 equal to minus 1, and therefore slope of tangent and that is equal to dy by dx at the point p, and that is equal to shift this 2 to that side, we will get 1 upon 2, and hence we have the slope of tangent. The slope of tangent is 1 upon 2. Okay students, and now from the curve, that is from the curve y equal to x minus 3, find dy by dx. Why? Because we know that dy by dx means differentiation of this curve is nothing but the slope, and now we have got the slope, and that is equal to 1 by 2, and that's why we will find dy by dx. Compare this dy by dx with 1 by 2, and we can find out the value. Okay, so differentiate this with respect to x. We get differentiation of y with respect to x equal to differentiation of square root of x minus 3 with respect to dx. Okay, and now its differentiation will be, that is equal to differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx, and we know that differentiation of square root is 1 upon 2 root x, and therefore this is 1 upon 2 root x minus 3. Okay students, and we have already found out that the slope of tangent, that means dy by dx, is 1 by 2, and therefore suppose this is 1 and suppose this is 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, we can write dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 and dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2 root x minus 3, and that's why 1 upon 2 root x minus 3 equal to 1 by 2. Okay students, these two get cancelled, and now we have 1 upon root of x minus 3 equal to 1. Now squaring on both sides, we will get squaring on both sides. First take the cross squaring on both sides, we will get 1 upon square root is 1 upon x minus 3, and this is equal to 1. Now take the cross multiplication, we will get x minus 3, this implies x minus 3 into 1 is x minus 3, and that is equal to 1, and therefore x equal to 4. The value of x is 4. Okay students, we have to find out the point pxy. So pxy means coordinates of the point P. The coordinates of the point P are x and y. So out of that we have found out the coordinate x. Now for the coordinate y. For the coordinate y, we have the equation of curve y equal to square root of x minus 3. So put this value 3, put the value of x, put in y, put the value of 3 in y, we will get y equal to square root of, what is the value of x? The value of x is 4, that is 4 minus 3, and that is equal to square root of 1. Hence y equal to square root of 1, squaring on both sides, y square equal to 1, we will get y equal to plus or minus 1, and therefore the coordinates of the point, we have to find out the points on the curve. Therefore the points on the curve, that is the x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is plus 1, x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is minus 1. These are the coordinates. Okay students, in this way the problem is that find the point on the curve y equal to x minus 3 where tangent is perpendicular to the line. So suppose this is the curve y equal to root x minus 3, and now suppose this is the tangent to the curve, and suppose the line is perpendicular, this line is perpendicular to tangent. Then by using criteria, that is the tangent and the lines are perpendicular to each other, therefore product of their slope equal to minus 1. Therefore we have considered that the slope of tangent into slope of the line which is perpendicular, their product equal to minus 1. From that we have found out the slope of tangent, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and this slope of tangent we have compared with the slope of curve. That means we have compared the dy by dx. Okay, and after comparing dy by dx, we got the value of x. Put the value of x in given curve, we got the value of y. Okay students, in this way we have solved the problem. Okay, now the next problem is that find find the equation of normal to the curve 3x square minus y square equal to 8. Which equation of normals where the normals are parallel to the line x plus 3y equal to 4. Okay students, so here the equation of curve is given that we have the curve equation, that is 3x square minus y square equal to 8. This is the curve equation. Okay, and now we have to find out the equation of normals where the normal is parallel to the line x plus 3y equal to 4. As the normal is parallel to the line x plus 3y equal to 4. Therefore, we know that if the lines are parallel, normal means the normal is the line and this normal line is parallel to the given line, and that's why we know that if two lines are parallel, their slopes are same. Therefore, the slope of the slope of the slope of normal is same as slope of the line. Slope of the line x plus 3y equal to 4. Okay, because normal is parallel to the line and we know that if two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are same, and therefore slope of normal equal to slope of line x plus 3y equal to 4. So slope of normal equal to and you know that ax plus py plus c equal to 0, then slope of line is slope equal to minus a upon b. By using this, we can find out the slope of given line. Okay, and therefore slope of x plus 3y equal to 4 is minus 1 upon 3. If the slope of normal is minus 1 upon 3, this implies slope of tangent equal to 3. Okay, why? Because normal is perpendicular to tangent. And therefore their product of slope equal to minus 1. Normal is perpendicular to tangent and therefore slope of normal, that is m1, slope of tangent m2, and that is equal to minus 1, and therefore slope of tangent m2 is minus 1 upon m1, and that's why slope of tangent is 3. Okay students, okay, hence slope of tangent is 3. Now from slope of tangent equal to 3, and you know that the tangent is nothing but dy by dx at the point P. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx at the point P. From given curve, find out the dy by dx. So differentiate the curve 3x square minus y square equal to 8 to find out dy by dx. Okay students, so differentiate this curve, that is 3 into differentiation of x square with respect to x minus differentiation of y square with respect to x equal to differentiation of 8 with respect to x. Okay students, and now this is equal to 3 into differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of y square is 2y. By using n into x raised to n minus formula, here power of y is 2. Therefore differentiation is 2y. But this y is again differentiable function. That's why again differentiate with respect to x by chain rule. And differentiation of 8 is 0 because 8 is the constant number. This implies 6x minus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. And this implies dy by dx equal to shift the term 6 to that side, that will be minus 6 upon, that is minus 2y, and therefore dy by dx equal to 3x upon y. This is dy by dx. Okay students, so slope of tangent, that is dy by dx. Suppose this is 1. dy by dx equal to 3, and now we have dy by dx equal to 3x upon y. So from 1 and 2 compare dy by dx. From 1 and 2 compare dy by dx. What is dy by dx here? That is 3x upon y equal to, that is 3. 3 get cancelled, and this implies x equal to y. This implies x equal to y. Okay students, this is the 3 equation. Okay, now we have to find out the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Okay, now consider the curve, that is the curve is 3x square minus y square equal to 8. Now we have to find out the value of x and y. To find out equations, we will find out the value, the point P. Point P means coordinates of x and coordinates xy. Okay, so now we have the slope. To find out coordinates, consider the equation of the curve, that is 3x square minus y square equal to 8. Put the value from 3, that is x equal to y. We will get the point x and y. That is put x equal to y, that is 3x square minus value of x is y. We will put, or value of y will be x. Anyway we can put, that is x square equal to 8. This implies 2x square. This implies 2x square equal to 4, and therefore we will get here x square equal to 8 by 2, and that is equal to 4, and therefore x square equal to 4. Taking square root on both sides, we get x equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, x equal to plus or minus 2. And now we have the points, that is x equal to minus plus or minus 2, and y is also plus or minus 2, because from this equation x equal to y. That means the points are, the point P is 2, 2, x equal to y, and the point, another point is also minus 2, minus 2. These are the points. Okay, now students, to find out the equation of normal, here we have to find out the equation of normals. To find out the normal equation, we must know the tangent, we must know the slope and the points. So up to this we find out the slope here. Also now we have the points. By using slope point formula, we can find out the equation of normal. So equation of normal by using slope point form. By using slope point form. equation of normal by slope point form, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope of normal. So in the here the slope of normal is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, and therefore equation of normal is y minus 2 equal to minus 1 upon 3 x minus 2. And here the equation is that is 3y minus 6 equal to minus x plus 2. We have shifted this 3 to that side, that is 3 into y minus 6 equal to minus x minus minus plus 2. And the equation of normal is that is shift the terms to that side, we will get the equation of normal is x plus 3y minus 8. X plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Again, by using these coordinates, that is p minus 2 minus 2, by using these coordinates we get another equation of normal. This is the first equation, also the another equation, and that is y minus minus plus 2 equal to minus 1 by 3. Slope is same, that is x plus 2, and the equation is again shift this 3 to that side, we will get 3y plus 6 equal to minus x minus 2, and we get x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. This is again another equation of normal. By using 2 points, we have found out the two equations of normal. See, the lines are parallel here, because here a1, a2, b1, b2 are same, only the c term is different, hence the lines are parallel, means that is the equation of normal. Two equations of normal, the lines are parallel. Okay students, in this way we have found out the equation of normal to the curve. Okay, now the next example is that is if the line y equal to 4x minus 5 touches the curve y square equal to ax cube plus b at the point 2, 3, find a and b. Here we have to find out a and b. That is, the equation of curve is given, that is y square equal to ax cube plus b. Okay, suppose roughly to understand, I draw the rough diagram. See here students, suppose this is the equation of curve. Okay, and now suppose this is the curve y square equal to x cube plus b, and the line, suppose this line touch at the point. The equation of the line is y equal to 4x minus 5. This line touch at the point, suppose the point is 2, 3. Okay, and now find out a and b. Okay, so by using geometry of this figure we can find out. Okay students, we have to find out this a and b. Suppose y square equal to ax cube plus b, this is the equation of curve. Okay, and suppose this line y equal to 4x minus 5 touch the curve, means this line is nothing but the tangent. This line is nothing but the tangent. That means the line y equal to 4x minus 5 touches the curve that is, the line 4x minus y minus 5 equal to 0 is tangent of the curve. Okay students, this is the tangent of the curve, and therefore the slope of this line, this is the tangent, and therefore slope of line is minus a upon b, that is minus 4 minus minus 1, that is 4. Slope of line is 4. Okay, from the line the slope is 4. Okay, and now we know that if the curve is given y equal to f of x, then dy by dx is the slope of tangent. Now let us differentiate this. Okay, so suppose this is 1, and now to this slope of line is 4, the slope of tangent is 4. Okay, slope of line is slope of tangent because the line is tangent, slope of tangent, and that is equal to dy by dx. Students, please note these things. Okay, by understanding this only you can got the problem. Okay, slope of the line, because the line is touches, that's why it is tangent, and slope of tangent equal to slope of line, and that is nothing but the dy by dx, because slope of tangent is dy by dx at the point P, and the point P is 2, 3. Okay, and therefore to find out now dy by dx, differentiate 1 with respect to x. With respect to x, we will get, that is differentiation of y square with respect to x equal to differentiation of ax cube with respect to x plus b, and this is differentiation of y square by using n into x raised to n minus 1 formula, that is 2y. Okay, but y is again differentiable function of x, that's why into differentiation of y with respect to x, and this is equal to a as the constant, differentiation of x cube again by using n into x raised to n minus 1 formula, this is 3x square, and differentiation of b with respect to x is 0 because b is the constant number. Okay, and here dy by dx equal to 3a x square upon 2y. dy by dx equal to 3a x square upon 2y. This is dy by dx. Okay, students. Okay, this is dy by dx. Now compare this dy by dx with this dy by dx. Compare both dy by dx. This is dy by dx equal to 4, and now here dy by dx equal to 3ax square upon 2y. So compare this, we will get dy by dx equal to 3ax square upon 2y and equal to 4. But now put the value, put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, because the point lies on the curve, because point P 2, 3 lies on the curve, and that will satisfy the curve, and that's why dy by dx at the point P 2, 3 equal to 3 into a into x is 2, that is 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4 upon 2 into y, y is 3, and that is equal to 4. So this 3 get cancelled, and now we have 4a upon 2 equal to 4. So 4 get cancelled, and now we have a equal to 2. Okay, students, a equal to 2. Now to find out b. to find out D, because in this problem we have to find out A and B. So now we have the value of A. To find out value of B, put the given values in the equation 1. So in equation 1, put in equation 1, that is y square equal to ax cube plus b, put the values of xy, that is the point P, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, and just we have got the value, that is a equal to 2. Put all this value, we will get y square that is 3 square equal to the value of a is 2 into x cube that is 2 raised to 3 plus b, and this implies 9 equal to 16 plus b, and that's why this implies b equal to minus 7. Shift the term to that side, we will get b equal to minus 7, and hence a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 7. In this way we have found out the values of a and b. Okay students, in this way the number of problems related to equation of tangent and normal we have solved. Now students, please solve these problems as a homework, and if you have any difficulty then ask me. We have already solved such type of problems. Only for the practice, please solve this problem. This is the homework for you. This is the homework for you. Please solve it and send it to me on my WhatsApp. What is the problem? The problem is that find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the point. That is, find the equation of tangent and normal. This is x square minus root 3 x into y plus 2y square equal to 5 at the point root 3 2. So students, this is the implicit type of function. Differentiate, you will get dy by dx, that is root 3 is common, and here to differentiate, take the differentiation of x square minus root 3 as a common. Take the differentiation of x into y, x constant differentiation of y plus y constant differentiation of x, plus differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx. Okay, then common out dy by dx, the term containing dy by dx, get the value of dy by dx, find the slope at the point. Now you have slope, you have point, find out by using slope point formula the equation of tangent and normal. Okay, now this is x sin 2y equal to y cos of 2x at the point pi by 4 and pi by 2, that is here x equal to pi by 4 and y equal to pi by 2. Okay, the same problem is here at x equal to 2 and y equal to t minus 1 upon t at the point t equal to 4. Here by this using parametric differentiation you have to differentiate this. This is the x is function of t, that is dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay students, so these are the three problems. Okay, and again there are two problems. Okay, find the equation of tangent and